Video
See if
days.
you can get me in. Look at this one. To another Solent warrior. So this is a good one. It's going to be a good one this weekend. So we have beached the boat. The boat is up behind us on the sand out there. Tide's gone out now. We've set up a campfire. We've got a camp set up for the night. So what we're going to do is we've got a firework display celebrating local marks 5k. So we're going to be doing that tonight, and that's going to be on a live. And we're going to do a camping cook. We're going to do a bit of foraging, see if we can find a few lobsters, maybe some edible crabs, and we're going to do a cook up. And then tomorrow, when we get up, we're getting up bright and early, and we're going out on a big bass hunt on the boat. This is the one that we've been waiting for. We've had 4 weeks now, is it 4 weeks?
Yeah.
Of crap weather.
It's been too long.
And we have been desperate to get out. So we've got about 3 days to settle weather now, so it's happening. It's going to be -1 tonight. It's going to be cold. So we're getting this campfire going now. But what I'll do is we'll get set up, and then once we start having a little forage, we'll bring you back. We've got a little guy here, a scallop for dinner. Bit small at the moment, the scallop, but I'm hoping to feed him up. Go on, eat it. Right, what we're doing at the moment, we're out on this reef on low tide. And we're just hoping we can find some either red edible crab, brown crab, or a few lobster. We got scallops, yeah. And we've just found a big patch of seagrass over here, which is rare for our area. Most of the seagrass in the Solent has been dredged out, so it's beautiful to see all of that sea. This is all seagrass in the background, which really nice to see. What we're looking for at the moment is little caves like this, little caves where there's turned out sand and sediment, and that'll indicate if something's living in there. So fingers crossed we can find something. So we've been doing a bit of foraging. We've got a big old spiny scorpion, big old pregnant one, and lots, oh yeah, little dragonet, oh quite a big dragonet actually. And then loads of delicious, oh he's got a orm. It's some sort of parasite on him. Oh yeah, he's rock hard, that parasite.
Yeah.
But anyway, we've got a good old feed. We've had a good forage up. We've got a load of scallops to cook up on the fire at the moment. We're going to probably cook them after the display, shall we? Or
What, the scallops?
yeah.
Yeah, we can. So, what I'm guessing, do the display and then just put the live right there.
Okay. Yeah. We're getting dark now. Fire's going beautiful. We're just waiting for the tide to come in a little bit so we can move the boat into a bit of a better area. The fireworks are going to be going off at about 7 o'clock tonight. We've managed to forage a load of scallops, so we'll be cooking them up on the fire after the display. Yeah, it's going well. What we'll do is we'll bring you back once we've done the display.
I'll give you a shout when I'm ready. Right, out of the way, and then you are right in the danger zone. So let you know when I take the world
We've cooked up some scallops. How are they, mate?
Absolutely superb. Absolutely superb.
We've cooked them up. We didn't have any oil, so what we've done is we've cooked them up in a bit of chicken broth that we had on the fire.
Oh.
They are absolutely,
And you get the broth with it.
yeah, delicious. We've had the fireworks. That's it there. Boat's out there somewhere. I can't see it anymore. But what a beautiful cook up.
Stunning, mate.
Yeah.
Really nice.
Really nice.
Mm.
All right, let's get into them. Well, the boat's out there. I don't know if you can see it for the smoke. The boat's out there. We go. The boat's out there. We're stuck on the island until about 7 o'clock in the morning now. I'll just show you. We've got the campfire going. We've had a bit of a cook up. We've had our scallops and we've had a few pot noodles. It's Will's tent. It's mine. And I just want to wait until high tide. There's another fire there, brother. I just want to wait till high tide to check the boat's okay on the anchor rope. Then I'm gonna get my head down. But it's not even that cold. It's supposed to be -1 tonight, but with this fire, it's beautiful and warm. It probably won't be at 5 o'clock in the morning though when I wake up. But there you go. We might get another little clip in before we go to bed, but other than that, we'll see you in the morning. Right, well, we survived the night. It is 6 AM. We're the water's just coming up near the boat now, so we're gonna have to start getting packed up and get on the boat. I think we've got an hour until the boat is going to be floating. We've got our Will. I don't know if you can see him. No, you can't see him. He slept next to the fire last night because the tent was too cold. Right, we better get up. We've got a lot of packing down to do, and then we've got some big fish to catch. I don't want to get out of the tent at the moment though. Right, I'll bring you back once we're back on the water. Right, we're off the island. We're just going to have a quick cook up, cook some hot dogs for breakfast, and then we'll be shooting round the back of the island for some drifting for bass. But for the minute, we need to sort ourselves out and have a bit of grub. Sun is just starting to come up. Let me show you this. Look. The sun is just starting to come up. It is an absolutely beautiful morning. We've got a slight northerly breeze. Next to nothing. It's not meant to go over 2 miles an hour today, so we are going out onto some banks that are out in about 200 foot of water. It's about 7 miles off the back of the Isle of Wight, and I think there's going to be some big bass on there, so we're going to go drift it with lures. If that fails, we're going to come back into a couple of the coves on the Isle of Wight, and we're going to try for some spur dogs, maybe a very early turbot, no doubt some whiting and some congers, but we'll get some fish anyway.
Congers?
Yeah, he does love a conger. So we'll get a bit of food down us and we'll get out there. Right, we've got some fireworks there still. Right, hot dogs are done. It's warming us up. I'm gonna get these eaten and we're gonna get out fishing. Look at this. I've been dying for a day like this for about 4 weeks now. We have had storm after storm after storm, but some birds working over there somewhere. I can hear them. Right, we're at anchor. We didn't go around the back of the island in the end. We've been so cold after camping last night. Once we had breakfast, we decided the boat was a bit heavy as well with all the camping gear, so we've decided we're going to stay in the Solent. We've anchored next to one of our friends. He's already had a nice cod, some rays, dogfish and whiting, things like that. So we shall still find some decent fish, I think, today. I'll be happy to find a few thornbacks and the odd little codlin. It's absolutely mirror calm out here. It's as flat as a witch's tip. We've just got our first baits in, so as soon as we start picking up some bites, we'll bring it back. But what a beautiful day. It feels like spring. Feels like spring. My feet are still numb from last night though. I still haven't quite warmed up yet.
It was a cold night on the beach.
Yeah.
With a beautiful fire though, just to get a bit of warmth back in.
Yeah, still hard work.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah. So once we start finding some fish, here we go. We don't even have to wait.
Here we go, get a bite on here, guys. I'll lift your camera so they can see. Little tippy tappies here. He's having a look. There's something looking at this bait. Are you still recording there? You are, yeah?
Yeah, still on.
Might have a little fish coming up here, guys. See if it develops.
But I think we're gonna find a few fish today. Our friends have only been on this mark for about an hour and they've had some decent fish. So we're just coming up to slack water. When this turns, as soon as you get the first sort of hour on the flood, sorry, on the ebb here, that's when you'll find a big cod. We'll see if that develops and we'll bring it back.
Still looking. Yes. Is that a fish looking at that? Getting some bites here, guys. Are you recording now, Dave?
Yeah.
Nice. Maybe a fish coming up here. Feel it?
It's only something small, I think.
Yeah, a little strap maybe here.
Could be a dog. No, I don't know.
Okay. Hello. Strap.
Oh yeah.
There is a lot of hogs out there, isn't there? Well done, Dave. There you go, mate. What a first fish. What a first fish, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. You alright? Do you need any help? You're right. What a first. Oh,
It's
what is all that?
absolutely.
Is that all spikes?
That's all prawns, yeah. I've never look at the bottom of it.
Wow.
I've never seen one.
He is covered in them.
Right, let me just tee him off quick.
Yeah, yeah.
And we'll show the camera.
Oh, he's lost the mic.
Has he? Oh, show the camera.
That's a marine leech. So there's a marine leech just fallen off the tail of that thornback ray. Horrible little things.
I can't even hold it anywhere. Do you know where you normally hold it?
Yeah.
Prawns all. Well, there you go. Anyway, there's our
Wow.
first fish.
Proper fawny ray, that is.
This is absolutely. I don't know if you can see this on the camera. Even the underside
Covered
is
in
absolutely
thorns.
covered in thorns. Normally, you've got a bit of cartilage either side of the mouth. You can hold it like
He's
this.
got another leech on him.
Has he? Let's get it off. See this leech here? On the wing here.
Marine leech.
We'll get him off. The horrible little bastards.
Ooh.
There we go. Right. Well, there you go.
Beautiful catch, Dave.
Let's get him back.
Absolutely stunning. Would you mind if I just do a short of him on the floor?
Yeah.
Is that all right?
That's a nice fish. Get a nice picture out of that.
Yeah, I'll get a photo of you here, Dave. Wow. Alright, 3, 2, 1, boom. That's a lovely fish.
Are you all ready?
Yeah, go on. Sorry, I was going to do it short, but if I get one, I'll do it. Stunning fish, Dave. Dave, you're up, the rod's going.
Oh, the rod's going. Is it?
Yeah, it did then. No, just cocked up. Yeah, he didn't half hit good that ray.
Yeah.
That's a lovely whack.
Right. We'll get baited up and see if we can find another one.
Well done. is a beast. He's covered in them little worms as well.
I'm going to save him from them.
Yeah, mate. What a beautiful, beautiful fish, Dave. There you go, mate. I can't get it all in.
Unfortunately, we lost the last part of the video. So if you haven't already hit the like button, please do. And don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.